AirPlay. Boom, there's AirPlay. This application is for wireless iPhone AirPlay. Please use your phone to search for the Wi-Fi device and connect to it. Go to Wi-Fi and we're gonna look for our specific device Wi-Fi. This works with almost every car. It's super easy. You connect this thing to your cigarette lighter. It just works. You can use the 3.5mm cable to connect to your car stereo, and that's it. There's no installation. You just stick this to the dash. You put this on a mirror. That's our Wi-Fi name, W701. Alright, that's the password. Okay, connecting to Wi-Fi. Low data mode is connected. Sweet! Click on the screen mirror right now. It's connecting. It works! Rotating the screen works. We have audio coming out here. Sweet! Look at the quality of the screen. This is Apple mirroring right now. Dude, this is so cool. That looks good, right? So pretend this is your car stereo. Connect this to your car stereo. This thing sounds so good. We connected to our AirPlay, guys. This speaker is connected to our stereo. Sounds so good. Wow! Sounds so cool. This is a wireless portable stereo. It's so good. Look at the quality of the mirroring. That quality of the mirroring is good. This APHQUA has Apple AirPlay mirror. The sound sounds so good. Quality is so good. Video, music, it's amazing. So easy to install. This thing is credible. It's a good deal. The APHQUA 7-inch portable stereo, wireless stereo. This thing is awesome. This thing is so awesome. Nice screen quality right there. This stereo legit rocks. I love it. This stereo rocks. Oh yeah.